News. I am Srishti from class 5th A and I am Jagrat from class 5th B. These are the major headlines from St. Arnold English Medium High Secondary School, Megnagar of the month of March and April. Adventure and Heritage. School students embark on annual educational trips. Little Express. Nursery visit Kalipura. The youngest member of our school family, the nursery tiny toes, enjoy a sun-filled day at Kalipura. For many, it was their first independent outing away from home. The day was filled with nature walks, discovering local flora and fauna, playtime, coordinated games in the lush green gardens, picnic treats, sharing snacks under the shade of massive trees. The Rajasthani themed village resort provided a rich sensory experience. Traditional performance, puppet shows, folk dances and magic acts. Camel rides, a major highlight for the primary wing. Village life, watching local artisans at work, followed by a traditional Indian feast served with warm hospitality. Feelings and Spells, Classes 6 to 8 at Atapi Wonderland. The middle scholars, Classes 6 to 8, headed to Atapi Wonderland for a day of high-octane adventure. Speed across 70 acres, the theme park offered thrilling rides. From the high-speed coasters to water-based adventures. Jambu World, India's first globe garden, which left students mesmerized. Pleasure shows, a beautiful end-of-day water and light performance that combine technology with entertainment. The Grand Heritage Tour, Classes 9 to 12, visit Delhi and Agra. The senior students embarked on a multi-day educational pilgrimage to the historic cities of Delhi and Agra. This trip blended history, politics and architecture. The national capital in Delhi, students visited the Qutub Minar, India Gate and the Red Fort, gaining insight into India's political history, symbol of love. In Agra, the group witnessed the breathtaking beauty of the Taj Mahal at sunrise, followed by a tour of majestic Agra Fort. Learning beyond classrooms, senior secondary students engaged in photography and history projects documenting the Mughal and British architectural influence. Result Day, a day of mixed emotions. March 30, 2026, the movement of truth arrived this morning as schools hosted the annual result day. Classrooms were filled with nervous energy as parents and students meet with teachers to collect progress reports. The phase starts. School reopens for new session. April 8, 2026, the academic wheel brought back to life today as school reopened for the 2026-27 session. The gates were met with the sight of shiny new shoes, oversized backpacks, and the chatter of friends reunited after the short spring break. Convocation Day, celebrating the class of 2026. April 1, 2026, in a grand finale to the graduating batches journey, the school held its Convocation Day graduation ceremony based in traditional academic robes and caps to the outgoing students march in a solemn procession. That brings us to the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for watching Arnold's News.